In this video, I'm going to show you how to format your document so it's nice and neat and formal. So the first thing you're going to need is you're going to need your outline document, as you can see, in one tab and a blank document in another. So going back to our outline, you first have to locate your introduction. You probably wrote this in the beginning of the day on Friday. It's located near the bottom. So you highlight it and copy, go to your other plain document and paste. Next, going back to your outline document, you locate your first body paragraph at the top of the document and you're going to highlight it. Sometimes I discover that it's easier to start from the bottom and work my way up. Notice that I'm also including my topic sentence, my main idea statement number 1. Copy, enter, enter, and paste. Enter. Next, I'm going to find my second body paragraph. Again, I find it's easier to start at the bottom. Highlight, copy, and paste. The last thing you need to copy is your conclusion, which is at the very bottom. And paste. Now, we're not quite done yet. We still need to make it look nice and neat and uniform. The first thing I want to do is I notice that my main idea statement and the rest of my first paragraph aren't connected. So I need to backspace, put a space, and make sure it all works. I also need to make sure that my first paragraph is double spaced. So I'm going to highlight it, go to Format, Line Spacing, and click Double. I also notice that I need to indent sometimes. So at the beginning of all my first paragraphs, I'm going to push the Tab button. Tab, backspace tab. All right, now I'm not quite done. I noticed that my document didn't have a 1-inch margins, so I'm going to go to File, Page Setup, and set the margins to 1. Most likely though, your document has already done this. Just a couple more steps. Putting my cursor by my first paragraph, I'm going to push Enter. Then I'm going to go up to the very top, over so it's not tabbed, and now I'm going to put my name. So for this, I'm going to use a fake name. Just because I want to use a sample, you of course would use your real name. Next, after my name, I'm going to put my teacher's name. Then, after the teacher's name, the class. After the class, the due date. The last step is to put my cursor in the center and then put a title. And then get rid of the extra space. You can underline it, but nothing more. Now my document is almost done, except for my document title. Go where it says Untitled Document in the top left-hand corner, click it, and you're going to give it this title and this title only, TKAM dash, and then your name. Click OK. Now it is ready to submit. In my next video, I will show you how to submit using Turnitin.com.